Every song I hear makes me think of you or memories and love are discussed in every song and lyrics. You are now my heart's melody, and I treasure it every day. Everything seems to glow when you walk into a room. Your presence brings such happiness and joy. Your unconditional love and warmth never cease to amaze me. Since I have you, I feel like the luckiest person in the world. You have the ability to make each moment seem magical. I will always be grateful for your love, which has altered my life. Your love is my unwavering anchor, keeping me afloat as I navigate life's erratic waters. I find myself lost in the embrace of nature, where the breeze dances with a touch of grace in the center of the forest, where whispers weave through the gentle have of the emerald canopy. Your embrace is my guiding light in this wonderland, heaven where peace is found. I wander freely among the ferns and deeply light, like a soul taking flight. My steps are soft on the mossy ground as I walk. My heart starts to sing to the rhythm of the quiet wing of the forest as the sun shines through the leafy veil, creating a golden path where dreams take flight. While butterflies paint the air with flighting light, birds serene in pure melodies. Their songs are a symphony that enters in this hidden realm. Just me and you. I pass at the sweet song of a bubbling brook, where crystal waters meander along, reflecting the gentle hue of the sky. I breathe in the sweet and rare presence of the woodland air as the forest whispers secrets of love and life from old tales in the quiet of the forest's embrace. I see the love shining in your face. And with you here, the word feels right. A sweet adventure, a trust delegate. You walk beside me, my heart's guide in this heaven among tall and wide trees. Together under the dome of the forest, we find the place we call home. Our hearts are in harmony in the wild and free forest. So let us linger in this serene dream, where time follows gently like a stream. The entry universe mystery can be seen through your eyes. I lose myself in this as I become captivated. A national a love that is only for you is stoked by your touch. You have transformed me in every way and painted my world with the colors of your love. Love, they say, is like a light rain that refreshes and rejuvenates everything it touches. Your love is a powerful horizon that sweet swept me off my feet, leaving me breathless and completely enchanted like that. And so much more to me. I give you my volley heart right there.